2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. You don't see, no, 30 degrees, way to go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been a long time since I filmed, and honestly it was because of the exams and then traveling back, and I missed my flight, so I was just not ready to film and whatever. And also when I got back I didn't have content, so now that I do, okay, not that I do, I'm just getting back into my zone, because if you don't have content, you have to create content. Anyways, my name is Bumi. If you're new here, please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, because it's fun here. Don't mind my hair, guys. Do not mind my hair. So what's going on is I just took off my braids, Moss. And then now I look like a zombie, and I'm doing mini twists in the meantime. So Lana, I am not done. So I just did these so that my hair doesn't shrink. But anyhow, I am washing my wigs. So far I've washed 2 wigs, and we have like, I don't know, I think we have like 5 to go, but they're not all mine. So I'm gonna wash my wigs and then also wash my mom's wigs, and then we're gonna film TikTok content, because we are trying to beg the wigfluencer what title on Vlogmas. We are like I'm literally getting into my zone now, and I'm trying to make make content myself. Like, I just want to get into the content creation zone like that. Like, I just want to claw into it, and I'm manifesting but by the end of this year, I will have at least 500 subscribers. So right now we are on the journey to 500 subscribers. Okay guys, so you're gonna watch me wash these wigs, but right now I'm drying. I've washed the other one, the first one I've washed it most and had dried it and whatever. So now I'm washing the second one, and then I've washed the second one, so I'm gonna dry it. So you guys are gonna join me drying this one, then maybe, because the lighting is not so great in the bathroom, so maybe you guys will join me. I'm not sure, maybe not. You'll join me when I washed that one and the other one, and then we dry together, and tomorrow we'll film. So I'm gonna film one wig for you. No, I'm not gonna film for you when I do the install a wig with me, because Moss, it's not like it's from. Okay, maybe I will just. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah. Oh, damn, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencil suit. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Let's get it. Hi guys, it is a new day. So yesterday I couldn't finish off the vlog because like I had a lot of stuff to do, and the wigs. Also, it was literally my first time, not really my first time, but like my first time washing so many wigs and actually trying to do a good job. This is wig 1. that I washed. I didn't wash all of them anyways. I just washed 4, and this is wig 2. Then we have wig 3, and we have wig 4. So now I'm just gonna prep them. I don't know which one I want to start with, but I'm gonna prep the wigs for installation. I think I'm gonna start with this one. So I'm only gonna be using these products to prepare the hair for installations. I'm only gonna do this on my neck and then install because I'm not sure if I'm gonna install all of them today. Yaba. So let's get it.
Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist. I might unpack my bag and don't say shit. I got what it takes to say this. I got all the plays and I played it out like this. I wanted to say this. I want us to make it. I'll trade it all for but it just hurts so much when it ain't working out. 'Cause I don't want nobody else you. And I used to be on my replacement shit. I switched it out so damn quick. If you ain't getting with my shit, but it just ain't like that with you. I even had tried that shit with you, boy. What I was done, I'd try something new, boy. I don't know what I'll do. I was tired of wasting time. You ain't never gonna change your mind. Tired of hearing all your lies.
In the lace before trying to lay it. Manje, how the hell am I gonna iron the lace? Guys, I hot combed it and it kind of worked. It like it worked. I think it's fine because if you'll see, but this is what it looks like. So it's not so bad. I'm gonna go to TikTok and film, but I won't film with you guys because I have only one phone and I have a camera. I don't have a camera, so why am I running out of breath? I don't have a camera, so yeah, maybe I'll like put a clip there of go follow my TikTok. Do that. Thank you. So guys, I'm done installing the first wig and this is what it looks like. It's not like oh my gosh that girl, but I feel like for the first time, no, not for the first, what am I saying? I feel like I was right actually, because it's like my first time doing a wig bun whatsoever thing situation going on, but I think I kind of ate, right? It's not bad. It's not like it's okay. I can go to the mall and run fast errands and come back. Can I go to an event? No, but maybe, I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Don't judge. We look, we don't judge. Okay guys, so I changed the wig and I put this one on. I know straightening wigs is not like my greatest strength, but I feel like this is like the best install I've ever done in my entire existence. Because tell me why I ate with this wig. Like, okay, you can see the lace. I just think I ate with this wig. You can see the lace sharp. Duh. Obviously there's gonna be a lace because it's a wig. It's this. I just don't know how to melt it. And but I'm gonna ace how to melt a lace. Oh wait. One day I'll ace how to melt a lace. That rhymes. I'm a poet. Guys, me poet. Anyways, it's fine. Guys, I look so pretty. Imagine if I had makeup and all of that. I need to go and take content. I need to take content because tell me why this eats and now I have to take it off. What do you mean? I'm screaming in riddles because this eats. Okay, big GLONFGLE. Okay, I don't know what you guys think, but I ate. I'm babysitting, so there's gonna be like baby noises. Yeah, but anyways, I feel like I ate with this one. I just need to like paste it here and remove the white thingies, but it's not like a train smash. I just need to paste it a little because it's going up. But sling, sling, sling. Ah! I tied a bun and it's so sleek. What do you mean? Anyways, guys, this is the end of the vlog. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, comment, subscribe, because guys, I am back and I'm back for good this time. In fact, I feel I want to post 3 vlogs just for you this week because I have like so little subscribers, but I'm gonna do it for you because ngiyanithanda baby, ngiyazifela ngani. Guys, bye. So we are on the journey to 500 subscribers. Please make sure you subscribe because I'm pretty. Okay, do it for the gorgeousness, okay? Do it because I'm pretty. Bye. Bye, guys.